Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Zelle with Chime. The first step is to download the Zelle app on your mobile device. After that, open it once the installation is complete. When you launch the app, you will be asked to select your bank or credit union. In the search field, type Chime. Since Chime is not directly listed as a supported bank within Zelle, you will not be able to select it from the available options. Instead, look for the option that says Don't see your bank and tap on it to continue. This will allow you to set up Zelle using a debit card rather than through direct bank integration. Next, enter your email address and continue with the registration process. Zelle will ask you to verify either your phone number or email address. A verification code will be sent to you. Enter the code when prompted to confirm your information. After verification, you will be asked to add a debit card. Enter the details from your Chime Visa debit card, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. Double-check the information before proceeding. Follow the remaining on-screen instructions to verify your identity and complete the setup process. Once your registration is approved, your Chime debit card will be linked to Zelle. You can now use the Zelle app to send money to friends, family members, and other contacts. Thanks for watching.